Welcome to Rapid Reads Club. Today we are exploring one of the most mysterious and thought-provoking plays ever written, Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. At first glance, this play may seem simple. In fact, some people even wonder, does anything actually happen in this story? But as we dive deeper, we discover that this play is not just a story, it is a reflection of life itself. So sit back, relax, and let's uncover the fascinating world of Waiting for Godot. Imagine a lonely road. There is almost nothing around except a single leafless tree. Standing beside that tree are two men named Vladimir and Estrogan. They are waiting for someone called Godot. Who is Godot? Why are they waiting for him? And what will happen when he arrives? These questions remain unanswered throughout the play. And this is exactly what makes this story so powerful. As Vladimir and Estragon wait, they spend their time talking. Sometimes they argue, sometimes they joke, sometimes they think about leaving, and sometimes they wonder whether they should continue waiting at all. Yet despite their doubts, they stay. They keep waiting, hours pass. The day slowly fades, but Godot doesn't come. Instead, another pair of characters appears. One is Pozo, a wealthy and commanding man. The other is Lucky, his servant. Lucky is tied with a rope and follows Pozo wherever he goes. Their strange relationship raises important questions about power, control, and human dependence. As the conversation continues, the audience begins to realize that this play is not really about action, it is about existence. It is about what it means to be human. It is about the questions we all ask but rarely answer. Why are we here? What is the purpose of life? What are we waiting for? As evening arrives, a young boy appears. He brings a message. Godot will not come today, but he will surely come tomorrow. Disappointed but hopeful, Vladimir and Estragon decide to return the next day. The curtain falls. Then Act 2 begins. Surprisingly, almost everything is the same. The same road, the same tree, the same waiting. Again, Vladimir and Estragon talk, argue, laugh, and think. Again, they wonder whether they should leave. Again, they continue to wait. And once again, the boy arrives with the same message. Godot will not come today. Maybe tomorrow. The play ends there. Godot never appears. The audience never learns who he is. The waiting never ends. At this point, many people ask, what is the meaning of this play? That question has inspired discussions for decades. Some readers believe Godot represents God. Others think he symbolizes hope, success, happiness, or the future. Some even argue that Godot represents the answers we spend our entire lives searching for. The truth is that Samuel Beckett never gave a clear explanation. He wanted readers and viewers to find their own meaning. And perhaps that is why this play remains so famous even today. Think about your own life for a moment. How often do we say things like, I will be happy when I get a better job. I will be successful when I earn more money. I will enjoy life after achieving my goals. We spend so much time waiting for the next big thing that we forget to appreciate the present moment. In many ways, we are all waiting for our own Godot. We believe that happiness is somewhere ahead of us. We think fulfillment will arrive tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving further away. Just like Vladimir and Estragon, we continue waiting. This idea is both sad and beautiful. It reminds us that life is uncertain. There are many questions we may never answer. There are many dreams that may take longer than expected. There are many hopes that seem just out of reach. Yet we keep going, we keep hoping, we keep believing, and perhaps that hope is what gives meaning to our lives. One of the greatest lessons from waiting for Godot is that life is not only about reaching a destination, it is also about the journey, the conversations, the friendships, the moments we experience while waiting. If we focus only on what is coming next, we may miss the beauty of what is happening right now. That is the timeless message hidden within this unusual play, a story where almost nothing happens, yet somehow it says everything about being human. Even today, decades after it was first performed, Waiting for Godot continues to inspire readers, students, and thinkers around the world. It challenges us to reflect on our lives. It encourages us to question our assumptions. And most importantly, it reminds us that hope remains alive even in moments of uncertainty. So, the next time you find yourself waiting for something, a dream, an opportunity, or a better future, remember Vladimir and Estragon standing beside that lonely tree. Perhaps the true meaning of life is not found in the arrival of Godot, perhaps it is found in how we live while waiting. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this summary and analysis of Waiting for Godot, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rapid Reads Club for more fascinating books, plays and literary masterpieces. See you in the next video. Until then, keep reading, keep learning and keep growing.